How to avoid wrinkles. With age, it's normal for skin to dry out, losing its elasticity. This way, wrinkles and expression lines appear. But know that it's possible to prevent wrinkles to a certain degree, since there are some things you can do to protect neck, chest, and face. How to avoid wrinkles. Drink lots of water. This is the main tip. Water is essential for skin, as it ensures it will have sufficient water molecules to not suffer damage or reduce it. If skin doesn't receive the correct amount of water, lack of hydration makes skin dry and scaly, being more prone to wrinkling. Try to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day or 2 liters. Those who are very active are recommended 10 glasses per day. This is a minimum recommended value. Water will first pass through other organs in the body and only at the end reaches the skin, so you shouldn't drink little water. It's important to avoid drinks that cause dehydration like alcohol and even coffee. Apply moisturizer for wrinkles. It's important to use moisturizer to help with skin hydration together with water because, as explained previously, water needs to pass through all body organs until it reaches the skin. That is, it may not arrive in sufficient quantities to do proper skin hydration. Apply moisturizer 2 minutes after getting out of the shower. This way the skin will still be moist, will absorb the applied product better, as pores will be open and more vulnerable, allowing better absorption. Always keep a small tube of moisturizer in your bag. Before sleeping, apply moisturizer on face, neck, chest, and hands. You can also use moisturizer with hyaluronic acid before regular moisturizer, as it has much greater hydrating power than regular moisturizer, attracting water to itself. Use sunscreen. The sun is one of the worst enemies of skin. Avoid it at all costs. Always use sunscreen factor 30 or higher, with UVA and UVB protection. 30 is usually sufficient for these cases. Always keep it in your bag and apply when going out in sunlight. Even if you don't get direct light, it can still affect your skin. Sunscreen creates a protective layer on the skin, like a mask. Apply on face, neck, chest, and hands. Add antioxidant foods to your diet. Foods rich in antioxidants protect against damage caused by free radicals on skin, which accelerate premature aging. We've already talked here on the site about fruits rich in antioxidants. They need to be rich in vitamins A, C, E, and beta-carotene. Below are some examples of antioxidant foods you can add to your diet. Blueberries, raspberries, wild blackberries, strawberries, spinach, kale, walnuts, artichoke, chocolate 75% or higher, red cabbage, beet, avocado, coconut oil, salmon. Have a good night's sleep to avoid wrinkles. Try to sleep 8 hours per day, minimum 7 hours. It was proven that sleeping only 6 hours per day is not sufficient to stay healthy. When we're sleeping, the body produces growth hormone that increases cellular reproduction and performs tissue repair. If you sleep little, the body produces the stress hormone called cortisol, which undoes all the good that was done by growth hormone, thus increasing wrinkles, dark circles, and leaving skin without shine. Another important detail is sleeping on your back, as some positions can favor the appearance of wrinkles. Sleeping on your side or stomach increases wrinkle formation on skin, as you compress skin in specific places, making wrinkles become permanent. Reduce stress. Stress produces the cortisol hormone in the body and makes the body enter a process of cell inflammation, bringing damage to skin and other organs. If you're working too much, try to take some days for yourself. Do things you like, read books, do yoga, meditation, or other physical activity. Even an afternoon nap helps combat stress. Don't smoke. Cigarettes dry out skin too much due to products present in their composition. Therefore, don't smoke. Summary of avoiding wrinkles. Therefore, the main tips to prevent wrinkles on skin are: drink water, use moisturizer, use sunscreen, eat antioxidant foods, sleep well, 8 hours per day, reduce stress, don't smoke.